Today is Wednesday, May 20th, and this is your forecast for the central United States. And the weather over the last couple of days has been pretty active, especially right here in the middle of the country. We had a line of severe thunderstorms that crossed from Wisconsin over Michigan and then eventually into parts of Ohio. We had some severe weather out toward Iowa. Things are a lot quieter on this Wednesday, I'm happy to report. But here's a look at the future radar. Still some showers moving through the Ohio River Valley and some showers here toward the tail end of the loop, which actually brings us into late Wednesday night and early Thursday morning. So later tonight, tomorrow morning, some showers pushing into western Iowa. But outside of that, pretty quiet. So the storms in Cleveland moving out. We got temperatures in the wake of a cold front, quite a bit cooler. Remember, it was hot. Now it's, I would say, even a smidge on the cooler side. Cooler than normal for the most part here in Grand Rapids, Detroit, and Chicago. It's not going to change a whole lot into the holiday weekend. We got scattered showers from Memphis, Nashville, Louisville, all the way up the Ohio River Valley, all the way up here to Pittsburgh. Then out ahead of the cold front, which is where the showers are, look at that, 94 in Roanoke compared to 70 over there in St. Louis. So you can clearly see where that cold front is. Our temperatures through the rest of the week staying in the 60s here in Detroit. We will get into the 70s, certainly not the summery 80s and 90s some of us just had, but at least a little bit better than 60s for the holiday weekend, maybe even closer to 80 on Sunday if you keep your fingers crossed, get some sunshine. Cool through the end of the week in Chicago, 70s for the holiday weekend, not quite 80s like a lot of folks like for the unofficial start to summer, Memorial Day, but it's better than what we're having today and for the next couple of days. In the south, scattered showers and storms continue here in the western part of the state. Actually, early in the loop, you see what's happening actually this morning. We have some heavy rain along the Texas coast there, maybe some localized flooding. We have some storms that'll break out here in the lower Mississippis. These are slow-moving storms, so they could produce some flooding, but a lot of quiet, dry weather from the southeast down the Florida peninsula. So let's take you around the southeast. We got temperatures mostly in the 90s because remember, we have a cold front in the Ohio River Valley, so out ahead of it, it's very hot. Behind it, it's noticeably cooler, significantly cooler as you travel up to the north. Scattered storms possible today in New Orleans, and then mainly along the west coast of Florida, there'll be some storms that pop up today. 82 this afternoon over there in Dallas. So in Charlotte, that cold front that I've been talking about is going to come through before the end of the week. So you'll notice a much cooler day on Friday, but low 80s, low to mid 80s, pretty comfortable here for the holiday weekend. In Fort Lauderdale, scattered clouds around this morning, just a few clouds this afternoon with temperatures in the mid 80s, scattered clouds, low 80s later on this evening, and we're in the upper 80s, I think, for the holiday weekend, maybe even closing in on 90 early next week. All right, that's your Wednesday morning weather update. I hope everyone has a great rest of the week. And remember that as long as you want there to be, there will always be a 100% chance of good things.